I'm Sam from the Schools and Academies show team, and today I'm at Excel in London for what's set to be our best show yet. We've got an absolutely stacked show today, so why don't we take a look at what we've got planned. There really is something for everyone here at the Schools and Academies show, with theatres offering talks on policy, finance, SEND and much more, as well as exhibitors offering everything from edtech to estates. Well, the sun's about to set here on the Schools and Academies show London. It's been a hell of a day with over 150 exhibitors and over 160 speakers, including CEOs, politicians, and even a gold medalist. We'll be back in November at the NEC for the Schools and Academies show Birmingham. But until then, from all of us at the Schools and Academies show team, thank you, and we hope to see you soon.